Still that same light wind we've had through most of this week and still averaging out to partly sunny skies this afternoon. A thicker cloud cover in northwestern sections of the state and much brighter in southeastern areas. 30s for the most part this afternoon, but a few lower 40s in southern areas, and then 40s tomorrow. Strong winds and heavy rain both expected with the next system coming in Sunday evening. This will be a front that will mean mostly rainfall, although we could switch over to some wet snow before this wraps up for the North Country and a few western areas Monday morning. Yes, the potential is there for over 2 inches of rain, and along the front itself, there could be some winds gusting over 35 to 40 miles an hour. Quiet till we get there. Looking at just partial sunshine this afternoon, an increase in clouds tomorrow. Temperatures tomorrow will be back into the 40s, and then it is 40s to lower 50s as that front eventually gets here. We're not going to be able to rule out a passing shower before 2 o'clock on Sunday, but most of the main activity arrives very late in the day and into Sunday evening. Some pockets of heavier rain will be a possibility overnight and then during the early morning hours on Monday as the front comes through. Once it does, winds will turn to the west and things will sharply cool off anywhere from the 40s to lower 50s early in the day, back into the 30s through the afternoon with the lingering light snow up north. As far as the potential rainfall out of this system, there could be some spots over 2 inches of rain. You can see the strongest winds are expected later on Sunday night and first thing Monday morning before the front continues to slide offshore. And we could be seeing some ponding out there in area roadways as we gradually go through Sunday evening and early Monday with that potential of over 2 inches of rain in places. Behind that, temperatures closer to the averages heading into the middle of next week.